I used to lose 4 hours every Friday manually compiling client reports. Right now, in July 2026, those reports write themselves while I'm fast asleep. I've built an autonomous Claude workflow that scrapes data, analyzes trends, and drafts the final document for my review by 8 a.m. The 2025 approach to reporting was writing one long, perfect prompt and hoping the AI got it right. That model is already obsolete. As of June 2026, we have moved into the era of loop engineering. Instead of a single interaction, we are now designing autonomous agent workflows that iterate on themselves until the output is perfect, soaking. This shift is critical because, according to McKinsey, generative AI can now automate work activities that absorb 60 to 70% of a knowledge worker's time. To build a report that writes itself, you don't need a better prompt. You need a better loop. By 2027, this will be the standard way all data-heavy documentation is produced. In a recent head-to-head review of the 10 best AI writing tools for 2026, Claude was ranked at the top for professional nuance. While ChatGPT is great for logic, Claude's 200,000 token context window allows it to read every single internal doc you own to maintain a perfect brand voice. 7. This is what Ethan Mollick calls co-intelligence, treating the model as a senior partner rather than a search bar. Data from the NBER confirms that access to these generative assistants increases productivity by 14% on average. But for newer or low-skilled workers, that jump is as high as 34%. 9. By using Claude for the final drafting phase of your report, you're effectively hiring a senior editor for the cost of an API call. The secret to reports that don't sound like AI slop is the context layer. The key is grounding every agent in your team's actual work instead of letting it guess. This lets your agents reference and categorize data across your entire team's history. Step 1. Upload your last 6 months of project updates into a Claude project. Step 2. Create a brand DNA document inside that project's knowledge base. Step 3. Connect your research agents to this shared project knowledge. This ensures the AI isn't just guessing, it's grounded in your real work. This specialized productivity stack is what separates the winners in 2026 from those still using generic chatbots. To make this happen while you sleep, you need an engine. I use a make scenario that triggers every Thursday at midnight. 1. The trigger pulls all completed tasks from Airtable. 2. It sends those tasks to the Claude API with a specific system prompt. 3. It uses a router to send different sections to different specialized agents. If this workflow is saving you time, hit like. It helps more remote workers find this. This architecture turns your 7.6-hour workday into a management session rather than a typing session. 5. You are moving from doing the work to orchestrating the agents that do it. Before you set this to autopilot, we need a reality check. Just this week, on July 7, 2026, security researchers discovered a major flaw where public GitHub issues could trick agentic workflows into leaking private repo data. To keep your reporting workflow safe, Step 1. Use API-only data policies. Step 2. Never put customer PII in a shared prompt. Step 3. Keep a human in the loop for the final approval. Even though these tools are amazing according to recent AI reliability benchmarks, the reliability gap means AI still fails about 1 in 5 complex logic tasks. News context. You must be the architect who verifies the foundation. Yucks. The 2025 way to catch up was a 30-minute Zoom recording no one watched. In July 2026, we use our sleep reports to reclaim our morning for deep work. McKinsey estimated that knowledge workers spend 1 day each work week just searching for and gathering information. By letting your Claude loop handle the gathering and the drafting while you sleep, you are winning back 20% of your life. Currently, 50% of people with a bachelor's degree or higher are working from home. The ones who will thrive in this $3 trillion productivity frontier are those who spend their 7.6 hours on strategy and awe-inspiring creative work, not data entry. 12. You just learned the July 2026 blueprint for reports that write themselves. This is how we win back our Fridays and focus on what actually moves the needle. Next week, I'm breaking down the Perplexity and Make combo that automates tracking my competitors' pricing changes and ad campaigns for $0. Subscribe so you don't miss that workflow drop, and I'll see you in the next one.